Some animals end up dying because of their own instincts or behaviors. For example, male redback spiders willingly mate with females, knowing they'll be eaten afterward, just to pass on their genes. Then there are snakes that, when starving, sometimes mistake their own tail for prey and end up swallowing themselves to death. In French Guiana, a certain termite species sacrifices itself to protect the colony. When threatened, it literally explodes a toxic chemical sac in its body to fend off predators. Meanwhile, animals like goats, sheep, and deer can freeze in fear when danger approaches. This sudden paralysis makes them easy meals for hunters. And the Antechinus mouse, it mates so aggressively and for such long hours that its body simply gives up. Death by exhaustion. Nature sure has some shocking stories.